Bet you didn't know how easy it was to change your mindset and start feeling better about your life. Let me show you. So many times you and I get down, we get depressed, we start saying to ourselves and others, I suck, I can't do this, I'm not any good. I want you to think about this one little mind shift, whether you play video games or not. I want you to think of yourself like a gamer would. And the next time you're feeling down, depressed, and stuck, instead of telling other people and yourself, I suck, I can't do this, I'm not any good, simply say this, I'm just stuck on this level. Run your life like a gamer would run a video game. You're just stuck on that level. You're just missing a cheat code or a piece of information to get better. When you can start thinking in terms of, I'm just stuck on this level, need to break through, instead of I suck, I'm not good enough, you're gonna find that people are gonna start giving you those cheat codes. Hey, have you tried this? Have you thought about doing this? When you approach life like a gamer would a game, you're gonna find you'll get the high score. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.